Passive income is the two words to financial freedom, and this is one of the reasons why people invest in real estate. In real estate, one of the ways investors get their returns is through the monthly rentals. On this channel, I talk about real estate, investing, home care, and more. And I appreciate if you can hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and this will help with YouTube's algorithm for this video and this channel. Like in real estate, stock investors also get their monthly returns in the form of dividends. So when investing in dividend stocks are normally paid either annually, semi-annually, or quarterly. And the most common form of dividend payment is quarterly payment. So to my Malaysian investors, I'm sure you are familiar with dividend stocks in Malaysia, such as REITs and other dividend stocks. However, in Malaysia currently we don't have stocks that pay monthly dividend. In US now, there are stocks that pay dividend monthly. So here are 10 monthly dividend stocks that make 12 dividend payments each year. And bear in mind, this is not financial advice, invest at your own risk. So to start off this list, number 1 is Realty Income. So Realty Income is a retail-focused blue chip REIT that owns more than 6,500 properties in US. So this means that the properties are viable for many different tenants. So currently, Realty Income shares have a current dividend yield of 4.1%. Secondly is Main Street Capital. So Main Street Capital is a business development company, or BDC, and the company operates as a debt and equity investor for low middle market companies. So Main Street has a dividend yield of 6%. Number 3 is SL Green Realty. So SL Green is Manhattan's largest office landlord and currently owns 96 buildings totaling 41 million square feet. So currently SL Green has a 4.6% dividend yield. Number 4 is Stack Industrial. So Stack Industrial is an owner and operator of industrial real estate. So it is different from the previous two monthly dividend stocks. So Stack focuses on industrial real estate, such as warehouses, which positions Stack well, as these properties are in high demand due to the e-commerce boom. So currently Stack Industrial has a 4% dividend yield. Number 5 is TransAlta Renewables. TransAlta is a renewable energy producer based in Canada, and it owns 13 hydro facilities, 23 wind farms, 7 natural gas plants, 1 battery asset, and 1 solar asset. So renewable energy is a major global growth theme. Costs are rapidly declining for renewable energy production, while demand is rising as global industrial and residential customers increasingly move away from fossil fuels. Number 6 is AGNC Investment Corp, and it's an internally managed REIT. Whereas most other REITs that we compared earlier, they own physical properties that are leased to tenants, and it has a different business model. It operates in the niche of the REIT market, which is mortgage security. So currently AGNC has a monthly dividend payout of 12 cents per share, and it represents a nearly 8% dividend yield. Number 7 is Gladstone Investment Corp. So Gladstone is a business development company, so the trust debt investment primarily consists of senior term loans, senior subordinated loans, and junior subordinated loans. Equity investments primarily consist of preferred or common stock or options as a means of acquiring stock. So currently Gladstone distributes a high level of cash to shareholders with a 6% dividend yield. Number 8 on the list is Gladstone Land Corporation. So Gladstone is a REIT that specializes in the owning and operating of farmland in the United States, and currently Gladstone has a dividend yield of 2.4%. Prospect Capital Corporation. So Prospect Capital Corporation is a business development company, and it provides private debt and private equity to middle market companies in the US. So currently Prospect has a high yield of 8.6%. Lastly on the list is Superior Plus. Superior Plus Corp is a propane distributor in US, but it is based in Canada, and it has a dividend yield of 4.8%. Now that we have looked at the list of stocks that pay monthly dividend, we will do a quick comparison of the pros and cons between investing in real estate for rental income and dividend income from stocks. So investing in stocks that pay monthly dividend, it means that the dividend is paid out frequently by the company, and having stocks that pay monthly dividend allows the investor to reinvest the dividend income and to compound the dividend investment monthly, and investors can also align their dividend income with their living expenses because they are receiving their dividends monthly instead of quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. So the cons here is that the stocks can fluctuate in price according to the market condition, and recently in the pandemic there have been some monthly dividend stocks that stopped paying monthly dividends for a period of time. So of course this can affect investors' monthly income for a short period of time. Investing in real estate for monthly income, the investor gains back its return through the tenant, or if the investor does Airbnb or short-term rental on the property, and the expenses will be the mortgage and other costs to acquire and to maintain the property in the long run. So I hope you gain some knowledge on monthly dividend stocks, and I appreciate if you could like and subscribe to this video to stay tuned for more videos on real estate and investing.